Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor for a very, very quick, just 5 minutes event, taking you back into an XRP special in a moment. Sensei, our technical analysis, is waiting to provide you with a very, very important XRP special. Before that, though, we are here to always bring you the best information, to tell you what comes next, to stop you from FOMOing, to stop you from getting too excited, to buy the future. We're already in with XRP. We're already in the S&P 500. We're here to help people. This is a stock that I have no connection with whatsoever. I get no benefit from it ever. I saw people in the chat going, oh, he's just trying to pump another video. No, I'm not. I make no money out of these live streams, hardly at all. I've got no sponsorship, no deal with ACHR Aviation, but we are here and we always have been and we always will be here to help people find the next stock, the future of what comes next. That's what we do. So for 5 minutes and 5 minutes alone, before we go over to an XRP special, this is what comes right after this. Technical chart analyst, Sensei, is waiting to go to bring you this. But first of all, look at this, 27% up in the last month. Tonight, we're going to cover the earnings for this stock. You don't want to miss it. Vaz is covering it. It'll be the biggest EVTOL live event on YouTube, 100%, 100%. The reason why we're talking about it is because this is the next area, the next sector to invest in, and this is a good time. Now, Vaz has been talking directly with the company. He's got information from you tonight. I think he may even have a question on the earnings call. It's very exciting. He'll be live later on. There'll be breaking news throughout the day, and I'm just going to give you a very quick analysis on this before we go back to our XRP special, okay? Very, very important. Sensei is standing by. So ACHR Aviation, it's not flying taxis. People think of it as flying taxis. It's not, and they don't understand what it is. A bit like XRP, they didn't understand in crypto what it was. It's not that. Vaz will explain what this is and why this is so important and why it's going to take a really big part in the upcoming Olympics. You're going to see people arriving in these vehicles at the Olympics. So let me show you. Some numbers. I'm going to let Vaz do all the main stuff. It's his baby at the end of the day, like XRP is for Sensei. So very, very quickly, let me show you. The short interest on this is 11.69. We do not have a short squeeze on the cards. Not enough volume, not enough short interest, but short interest is bringing the stock down, but yet it's fighting up 27% this month. So this is a good sign, right? We've got the factor grades. We have gone from B+ to C+ in valuation because it's risen recently, but the growth has gone from B to A-. Growth is about to explode on this stock. Profitability has gone from F to D-. Why is that important and why is that a good thing? We were at F, we're now at D-. Profitability is moving in the right direction, and that is about to explode as well. They've been spending money innovating on the company, and now it's about to explode. Momentum, A+. Momentum is A+, revisions is C+. Things are moving in the right direction. Seeking Alpha are saying buy, Wall Street is saying buy, and Quant, our AI software, is also saying hold. You're not selling this. If anything, you are buying this asset, and we see this going up through the roof, so to outperform your XRP in the short term. So let me just show you some of the numbers. There are very little numbers I can show you, but Vaz will give you the full breakdown. They've had no real revenue yet, but look, we've got an S-curve projected. This is an S-curve, folks. Now then, if you want my software, Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread, there it is in the chat. You can all get free versions of this, free trials. You can only get that through my referrals. Revenue, expecting a complete S-curve. Operating income has been going flat. expecting that to improve. Net income, flat. Obviously, all of this at the moment is pre-revenue. It's about to start. Now, what is their balance sheet looking like? As you know, I'm a value investor. I'm always looking for good value. I'm looking for opportunities. I'm not looking for chasing a stock. I'm looking for valuation. I'm looking for underperforming with future potential. We've got 1 billion in assets, all right? 248 million in liabilities. That's great. How much cash have we got? 834 million. A very cash rich business. What about their debt position? For a company like this, you'd expect a lot of debt. No, long-term debt, 64 million. If we look at that on the pie chart, you will see long-term debt is 25%. That's good, considering that this is a company that is investing in innovating for the future. 25% with rates about to come down. So that's a major catalyst, and it's not even a bad number either. So let's scroll down to their numbers here. Now, this is what it's all about. Profitability, 23%. Obviously, 23% out of 100, not great. Obviously, it's spending money innovating at the moment. But what about the Altman score? I beg your pardon. What about the solvency score? 75%. You can buy it with absolute conviction. It's well-funded, not going bankrupt, and it's going to succeed. This is what you want to look at, though. Now, however, going into the earnings, we could have a 48% downside, but look at this. Look at this, 35% on average upside, 61% on average, is the forecast for the high. This could be eclipsed to 100%, folks. So we could see this really performing well. I wanted to bring this to you before I sent you over to Sensei for our XRP special. I wanted to wait to this moment. I wanted it to cool off. I wanted you not to get FOMO'd in. We've had a sell-off, and now we need to trade this wisely. So I'm now going to send you to Sensei. So, first of all, you do not want to miss this tonight. Here is the event you want for tonight. You got to see this. I'm going to give you the link in the chat. Here is the link in the chat. All right, there is the link in the chat. Make sure that you are registered for this event later. Vaz is covering this event for us later. We're also going now to Sensei, who's waiting to bring you an XRP special. He's ready to go. Let me give you the XRP now. XRP. See, there it is in the chat. That's where we're going first. All right. There is your XRP event. Sensei is on standby. We're very, very excited about it. And here we go. Exactly at the time I predicted, exactly what I expected. So now I'm going to send you all to this event. Let me make sure I've got it all right. Yes, it's all set. So enjoy the event with Sensei. It's exactly as expected, exactly as predicted. Please do make sure that you look out for the Archer Aviation video today that will come out. Also join me tonight for after hours for the Archer Aviation earnings. It's going to be explosive. Vaz is going to do a fantastic job. You don't want to miss it. XRP will take you directly to the Archer after Sensei is finished. All right, now go and enjoy a wonderful time with Sensei on XRP. We're here to help people, not to FOMO, not to sell videos, but to provide you the next thing to do. Okay, I hope you've all tapped the like button. Has everyone tapped the like button? Can everyone tap the like button, please, before I go? Let's send this video through the roof. Everyone tap the like button. Consider subscribing as well. That would be absolutely fantastic. And I will put the link above my head for the XRP and the Archer event tonight. And down here in the comments and description later on. And over here, I shall put the XRP event where we're going now. Once this renders in about an hour. For you, stay where you are. And down here is the Archer event. Has everyone tapped the like button? Have you all done it? Okay, go over now and enjoy an explosive XRP special with Sensei. Have a great time. Remember, we're here to help. We're not here to sell videos. Take care of yourselves and each other.